Hi there! How are you going? Do you want to take the stress out of managing your rental property? Or do you feel bogged down with the tedious day-to-day of the property management? If so, let's say goodbye to the hustle and say hello to Airaway TM, Airbnb short stay rental property management. At Airaway, we understand that managing short stay rental properties can be time consuming and also sometimes really overwhelming. That's why we are here to help property owners manage all aspects from A to Z Airbnb short stay rental properties so they can focus on more important things in life or other things that they're interested in while still having their property managed by us professionally. We also understand that your properties is one of your biggest assets, so we are here to help you maximize its potential. Airaway TM offers comprehensive Airbnb short stay rental management services, including cleaning and laundry services, maintenance and renovating your property, managing your guests, managing your reservations and listing on all booking channels, dynamically pricing your properties so it will maximize your returns. Also, we offer staging or styling as well as professionally photo shoot your properties so it will look even more attractive on all booking channels and attract more bookings. We have ongoing support for homeowners and also your valued guests. Choosing Airaway means that you're choosing a professional team that will treat your property like our own. Why don't we get started today by scheduling your appointment with our professional team? We will give you a lot of hints, tips, and a lot of advices on how to run your property more smoothly and more safely. Contact us now on 1300-199-994 or visit our website at airwayshortstay.com. Thank you and I'll see you soon.